Hey everyone, welcome back to Scrummy. Great to see you all back here. Today I'm sharing with you a lovely recipe for these non-bake mini Black Forest cheesecakes. These are really easy to make and the perfect size for a yummy dessert. Let's get started. For the base I'm using Digestive biscuits, but feel free to use your own favourites. Crush them up and pour them into a bowl, and into this pour in your melted butter. Stir it in and add a tablespoon of the biscuit mix to your cupcake tin. This tin I'm using has removable bottoms. If you don't have one of these, you can use cupcake liners and they're perfect. Place in the fridge to chill for about 30 minutes. Next we need to prepare the chocolate, and I'm using a mix of milk and dark chocolate. You need to use some dark chocolate to get the flavour associated with Black Forest Gateau. Melt over a pan of simmering water. Now let's make the cheesecake filling. I'm using mascarpone cheese, but you can also use full fat cream cheese. Place it in a bowl and add the icing sugar and mix everything together to combine. Next add the cooled melted chocolate and whisk until smooth. These mini Black Forest cheesecakes are gorgeous. The combination of the flavours between the milk and dark chocolate with the cherries is absolutely delicious. I love Black Forest Gateau and cheesecake, so these are a favourite of mine. Pour in the double cream and mix again until the mixture thickens up. Be careful not to overmix, as you don't want your mixture to split. Now you can add the cherries and the Kirsch. These cherries I'm using are Morello Cherries. They're delicious, but if you can't get these, a nice cherry jam or even 10 cherries will do perfectly. One last mix until the cherries and the Kirsch is well mixed in. Add a large tablespoon of the cheesecake filling on top of the biscuit base, and using a knife smooth the top. Place in the fridge for at least 7 hours, and I pop them into the freeze for 1 to 2 hours before you serve them, and it makes it easier to remove them from the tin and the cupcake liners. Decorate with freshly whipped cream, grated dark chocolate, and I like to add a little of the thickened cherry juice on top, just for colour. Pop on a cherry and then a little sprinkle of edible gold glitter if you have it. Don't they look beautiful? If you'd like to make these mini Black Forest cheesecakes as a larger cheesecake, such as an 8-inch, it's so easy. All you have to do is double this recipe. Check out my channel for lots more lovely cheesecake recipes. I hope you've enjoyed this mini Black Forest cheesecake video. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Happy baking everyone!